Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Middle of the night, boy, my boys don't play. Scrap with the heat, my time, it's the day. I swear to God, nigga, put this iron to your face. I swear to God, nigga, dog, you down today. Bullets be your thread. Niggas say they feel it. Rolling up the feeling, get high like some willies. Young Junior Wayne on the track going silly. I don't give a fuck, I ain't never been friendly. I still line the clear, see the tea, maybe go. I be iced out, you can tell that I'm cold. My teeth is froze, men don't touch. I fuck your ass up with 2 on the cut. Niggas say they real, niggas say they wild. I been up 5 days and still ain't tired. I got to get high, I got to get faded. I'm so damn loose out, I'm feeling kinda lazy. Bitches gon' pay me, niggas gon' hate me, but I'm going crazy. And hoes wanna date me, blend and don't make me. For the killer.
Gun off safely and I'm thugging to it, take me. Don't make me pull the trigger if you a move, you done made me. HD man and the boy been paid. Hustling, slanging dope ever since 5th grade. Niggas know I'm thugging, I ain't bagging down for nothing. Stole me the cunt, stole the brick down, busted. I busted down the dime, I busted, I ain't lying. And every damn time I be stacking up my dime, stacking up my nickels, I be popping a lot of Skittles. Pop a lot of Skittles, I be rolling off some jiggers. Might pop a couple niggas, so we keep a couple triggers. Yeah, we keep a couple pistols, talking military issues. The bullets gon' kiss you and somebody gon' miss you. Somebody gon' miss you cause your ass just gone. I do you niggas wrong and I'm doing these niggas bad. I swear I can't rap and this shit just all swag. But if nigga make me mad, I just throw some cash. Throw a little cash and you up and body bag. I'm still tossing cash and make me get on your ass. You still get smashed and I'm still smoking grass. HD man and I pass on your strand.
Another scrag young nigga going in. I ain't gonna stop, young nigga gon' get it. I swear to God, nigga, better stop where you quit it. You best to behave if I spit you down with it. The 3 little pigs all call me the birds. I'll be like, boy, I mean ugly bird. Fuck these niggas out, man, I swear it. Nothing ass niggas talking down, I kill them. Young Junior might say my niggas cut throat. Fuck white folks, I hang them on the road. They going too far, they think a nigga scared. But my bullet's hot, they'll leave ass dead. Hey, rob me a nigga.
Instrumental.
Slide me a nigga.
I'm ass, bring your ass, hire
Me a nigga.
Oh well, your bad. Go on here and find me a nigga. I'ma find that nigga. Pull a gun on him. Have you ever seen a killer? You ever seen me, nigga? Cause I stay masked up. HD rapping and you stay swagged up. My swag to the max. Nigga got some packs.
Nigga don't even know how that.